Hi everyone, in this video we will check Cornerstone setting, which is very important, though there is very less settings, but those settings are very important. Let's start with the video. So here we can see we are in Cornerstone settings. You can here go from Cornerstone then setting. So in general is the path. Now it's Cornerstone, like / Cornerstone. Then you can rename it to your agents and other name as well. Then the workspace, it's can be right or left, but it can be controlled in different setting as well. Build with Cornerstone, this is the default settings that you can use on your footer to show this is build with Cornerstone if you want, and you can control those things and colors from here as well. Then this is one of the important part, like you can control the control the permission of the settings, how much permission will have this person. Like editor don't have any kind of permission other than the preference. You can control the elements as well, like which email they will have the access to. If you want to give your clients as agency, if you want to give your clients some access, then you can control those things from here. This is very useful, because sometimes what happens, we created post types, they see the post types are not accessible from Cornerstone. Sometimes we create post types, but those things need to be activated from here, otherwise those things will not show on Cornerstone. That's one very important thing to know. Then advanced, this is a migrate to shortcodes. So you know most of the shortcode, but this is HTML. Recently this is been introduced recently, but this is very effective. This not breaks your when you change the builder or you change the thing. Sometimes what happened when you block section with Cornerstones, it's converted to shortcodes. Sometimes it's hard to read regarding SEO and things. So this is very helpful. And also there is external API. Now we have other API you can use here as well. Also, you can have the clear cache from your Cornerstone dashboard settings, and you can clear all the caches when you are working from Cornerstone. Sometimes what happens, it shows the old changes though you are working on Cornerstone. So this is what the settings are in Cornerstone. These are very few settings, but these are very important. Thank you.